Alright, now it's time for the QA1s, baby. Make this shit happen. Alrighty. Now, for me, the issue that I'm about to have is proper adjustment. I've been looking at all the videos, and I just gotta make sure my shit is sitting waist height. Good things, them good things, baby. Ooh, look at that there. Move this to the side. Either QA1 or those Viking setups. Either one is good. Double adjustments, baby. I'm still keeping that comfort ride that these Impalas come with. That's why I got the double adjustment, so I can still float while I'm on that way. Now today it's gonna be, no, I'm just gonna put it on, and once I get both sides on, then we're gonna work with adjustments. So wish me luck, y'all. Gonna make it happen, keep you posted.